Good morning, friends. Today I'll tell you about how know before invest in stock market. Today's my topic is how know before invest in stock or stock market. There is two rule to understand how we can invest in stock market. There is two rule. First is the analysis, the fundamental analysis, and second is technical analysis. We can do both things for before buying a share. It's compulsory if you are interested to buying in stock market. You have to knowledge about the fundamental and technical about the share, where the share is going, what's its ratio. Today I'll talk about the technical analysis and fundamental analysis that can affect the stock market price and stock exchange also. Okay, let's talk about the technical analysis. The first thing you have to see the if you buying a stock, you have to see the price of an earning P upon E. It's a price upon earning of share. It can be calculated the dividend of stock divided by price of stock P upon E. Every yearly company give the dividend for shareholders. The you can take the previous year dividend and the current share price, so you can get the price upon earning of stock. That is very important. Price upon earning is very important. Every year the dividends are changes. So you if you calculate the dividend last year, you take the dividend of stock given by company by last year and the price at that time, so you can calculate the price upon earning of stock. Second is earning per share. Earning per share means weight average of share. Earning per share is weight average of share. How much weight average of share is called the earning per share. Rate of earning, return of asset. ROE means return of asset. You can say the measure of financial performance also for stock or company. Return of asset, you can consider as a return of asset as a measure the financial condition of stocks and company also. Market capitalization, how much market had capitalization. You can simply calculate the simple formula. If company had 20 billion share selling rupees $50, it's simple formula. If a company has 20 million share selling of $50 and a share would have market capital of 1 billion, it's simple formula. Okay, second thing is if you are buying stock, always consider the price upon earning is not more than 10% or 10. There is lot of share, it's trading 20 to 30, but that's not a good time to buy. After correct it below than 10 or 7 8 level is price over earning is good time to buy a stock. Now we can talk about the fundamental analysis. Always check the balance sheet of company. Okay, how much company had debt or what was the future plan. Analysis the future plan, how much order the company have, or in future how much order they can gain. Inflation rate of our country, it can very affect in our stock market. Inflation rate and growth rate is very important to grow the stocks and stock market. And check the depth of company, how much depth company have, you can check it. And what was the growth rate of our country, it's depend our share prices, our exchanges prices also all depend the growth and inflation rate. If they both are good, so maybe 100% share will gain and exchanges will gain. Sometimes exchanges will gains, a share does not gains. It's the simple funda is there is a problem in company, not in stock market. So there is some things you can analysis before the earning of share, and you get a good profit. Always remember and research before you buying the share. Always buy blue chip shares, don't buy penny shares, and don't invest one time. You can invest in recurring time. Recurring means every month you can invest in stock market. After some years you get a good profit. Okay, then see you. Bye. I'll give you new video about more about the we can analyze stock. Other method also, where is stock is in downtrend or uptrend, market is downtrend or uptrend. I'll talk about next video. Okay, till then, see you. Bye.